This skill is going to cover when we multiply by multiples of 10, 100, and 1000. First off, what is a multiple? So a multiple of a number is kind of like when we're skip counting a number. So the multiples of 3 would include every number that we say when we skip count by 3. So that would include 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and so on. All of those are multiples of 3. So when we're talking about multiples of 10, we're talking about all the numbers that we say when we skip count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Same thing with multiples of 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, and multiples of 1,000. So when we skip count by 1,000, we would land on the numbers 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, and again, so on. When we multiply by a multiple of 10, 100, or 1,000, we can use that same trick that we use when we multiply by 10, 100, or 1,000. Find the fact within it, add the zeros. So for example, I see 3 times 2, which I know is 6, and then I only have 1 0. I can do this trick because 20 is a multiple of 10. 3 times 200, 200 is a multiple of 100, so I can do my trick again. 3 times 2 is 6, and then I add 2 zeros. 2,000 is a multiple of 1,000, so I can do my trick again. 3 times 2 is 6, and this time I have 3 zeros to add on. When I look at a problem and I notice that there's a multiple of 10, 100, or 1,000, I automatically know that I can go straight to my trick. So 6 times 100, I find the fact of 6 times 1, and then I just add on my zeros. I can do this because 100 is a multiple of 100. For 7 times 30, I spot 7 times 3 equals 21, and this time because 30 is a multiple of 10, I can do my trick of just adding 1 0. 8 times 5 is 40, and then I can add my 2 zeros. 40 times 40, I see the fact 4 times 4, and this time both of these are multiples of 10, so I need to add the zeros from 40 and 40, so I'm going to add 2 zeros total. 500 times 7, 5 times 7, add 2 zeros, and for my last one, 9 times 2, and this time I need to add 3 zeros.